FireBot Flex installation. The FireBot Flex cooktop fire suppression system is designed to detect and suppress stovetop fires under standard 20, 24, and 30-inch range hoods. The system includes an adjustable metal spray bar with integrated spray nozzles and dual thermistors, a control box containing the suppressant reservoir, pump, system electronics, and the 10-year battery. Installation requires drilling an access hole into the cabinet above the range hood to route the suppressant tube and thermistor cables. Here are the tools and materials you will need for this installation. Power drill with 1/2-inch metal bit, Phillips head screwdriver, stepping stool or small ladder, safety glasses, Allen wrench, and rag or drop cloth to catch debris. Step 1. Preparation. Turn off power to the range hood and surrounding appliances. Remove all items from the cabinet above the range hood. Clean the underside of the range hood to ensure a smooth mounting surface. Place rags or drop cloth over the stovetop to collect debris during drilling. Step 2. Install the spray bar. Position the spray bar underneath the range hood, centered left to right with nozzles aimed toward the center of the burners. Ensure both thermistor sensors are pointing downward. Secure the spray bar using the Allen key or tighten with a screwdriver. Double check nozzle aim, slightly forward and downward over burners. Verify thermistors are firmly attached near the center and front edge of the bar. Step 3. Drill access hole to upper cabinet. Identify and mark the spot on the range hood that aligns with the cabinet floor where the control box will sit. Drill a clean hole large enough for the suppressant tube and thermistor wires. Make sure to avoid existing wiring or structural supports. Step 4. Route tubing and thermistors. Cut the zip tie fastener. Feed the suppressant tube and thermistor wires through the drilled hole into the cabinet above. Secure suppressant tube with the provided zip tie. Step 5. Connect the suppressant bag and spray bar to the pump. Open control box. Place the opened control box in the side or upper cabinet. Open access hole in the control box to feed through the suppressant tube and thermistors. Route tubes into control box. Connect control box components. In the control box, remove the electronics board from its slot. Plug the thermistors into the electronic board ports. Connect the battery to the board. Connect the pump cable to the board. Return the electronics board to its slot. Arrange cable components. Slightly tilt the control box to avoid spills. Remove the gray push-to-connect cap from the suppressant bag. Connect the suppressant bag to the pump. Run a test cycle by touching the back button on the board. 1 beep confirms that all connections are in order. 2 beeps means there's a battery connection issue. Check and retest. 3 beeps means thermistor connection issue. Check the cables and retest. Close control box by placing the lid over and securing it with provided screws. Step 6. Clean control box and place neatly. Time for one final review. Look over your device one more time for that final check. Ensure all screws, tubing, and wiring are secure. Verify no cables are pinched or under tension. Restore power to the range hood. A few safety notes. Do not modify tubing, wiring, or nozzle alignment. Do not place items on top of the control box. And make sure you keep it accessible for future maintenance. Your FireBot Flex is now ready to protect your cooking area. For service or troubleshooting, visit FireBotSuppression.com.